Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch between your personal and business account on TikTok. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account. Here, you will see an option to switch your account type. If you're using a personal account, you'll see Switch to Business Account. If you're using a business account, you'll see Switch to Personal Account. To switch, simply tap on the option that applies to you. If you're switching to a business account, follow these steps. Choose a category that best fits your content or business. If you may be asked to enter an email, you can either enter one or skip this step. Once done, your account is now a business account, and you'll have access to extra tools like the Business Suite. If you ever want to switch back to a personal account, just follow the same steps. Go to Settings and Privacy, Account. Tap Switch to Personal Account. Confirm the change, and you're all set. And that's it. That's how you can switch between a personal and business account on TikTok. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. This script is optimized for a smooth voiceover. Let me know if you want any modifications.